whenever you see like a compression zone where the market is bouncing around a lot and while going down slowly, whenever you see something like that, you should know that a big move is just around the corner. Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a lovely time. It's Rafael back again. And if there's one thing you can't buy, then this is health. As you can hear my voice a little bit, I feel a little bit sick. But anyways, we made some beautiful profits this week already. Well, I started on Tuesday with around like a 6% loss. Took a loss on Tuesday, but yesterday we made it back. I had a beautiful trade on gold, made some really good money on that one. I made more than 10% on that trade. So I got back all the losses from the day before with this trade, and then I was able to bang some smaller profits on Nasdaq because I was not patient enough to hold it until the end of the session. If I would have held this trade until the end of the session, I would have made easily another 200k, which is like 20% or something. But you never know when this thing will pop like crazy, right? And this morning I followed one of our traders' advice. Inside our Discord group chat, I followed my friend's Hannez trade. He has his own channel. I took a buy on DAX and I already banged like around 10 grand, and now I still have a runner which is running on 23,000 at the moment. We are at around all-time highs. Let's see if this thing will pop through and give us another push to 400, maybe 420. That would be lovely for another beautiful profit of around 37,000, which would be amazing. Let's see if we can do that. Yeah, I got my SL already in profit, so let's see if we can make another beautiful profit. But yeah, why I'm doing this video, guys, I want to talk about yesterday's trade on gold, guys. Why I took this trade on gold, and yeah, I can show you the Nasdaq trade as well. But I'm a little bit sad about that because I didn't make money on this one. But anyways, let's see what we have here on gold yesterday when I took that sell position. Let me show you guys. Okay, so what we had yesterday, guys. Well, first of all, we took out this pretty significant high in here, as you can see overnight. We took it out. First of all, we had this drop last week, this crazy drop. Then the market was fighting its way back up again. And then after we took out this high, market gave us a beautiful reaction to the downside and left some stops down here and stops down here from all the buyers, right? So when I saw the market start around New York session, when the market started to move down aggressively, I started to sell this thing on a little pullback. It pulled back a little bit. I started to sell this thing. I had my stop sitting above this high in here, and I was aiming for these lows in here. This was my main target, and as you can see, I took out just before my target got hit around in this area. I took out 90% of my position, and then later on, I think I've closed some more. Yeah, somewhere in here, as soon as I saw that the market is starting to come back again aggressively, then I started to scale out and close this trade here with another $7,000, which was the right decision because the market would have easily stopped me out at around break even where I had my stop sitting. So yeah, it was the perfect decision to get out after we had this aggressive buying in here. You see we broke structure in here. We clearly broke the structure in here with a really aggressive move. So yeah, that was basically the trade on gold, which was a lovely trade, man. And now let me show you Nasdaq, guys. This is ridiculous. I mean, yesterday we have a clear downward structure, right? But as soon as we took out Tuesday's low and we had a reaction to the upside, that it wants to pop to the upside, but it didn't make that move yet, and we built it up like a compression zone in here. And whenever you see like a compression zone where the market is bouncing around a lot and while going down slowly, or going up slowly while moving up and down like crazy in a range, in like a compression zone, whenever you see something like that, you should know that a big move is just around the corner. Like, I've seen it so many times. When you have a compression zone, most of the time the market will pop to the other side through the compression zone with a lot of momentum and make a big move. So yeah, I started buying. Then when I saw that it keeps going down, I took out my stop loss and I scaled in again and again. Then the market popped. I was able to close with a little profit, and as you can see in here I've closed some profits. You see that, because I was scaling it up, and then here I could make some money. And as you can see, that move after that was crazy. Came back like strong, and then boom, exploded, guys. It exploded. If I would have held this trade in here from here until the end of the session, I would have made crazy money on that trade. Yeah, but you never know when it happens and how far it will run. So yeah, I'm happy anyways. We made some good money. I still have DAX running for the day. Big shout out to my boy Hannez. Thank you for that beautiful signal this morning. And let's see if DAX can move through all-time highs and if we can make some more money today on that one. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Yeah, I wish you a lovely day. I hope you all had a profitable trading week. If not, then make sure to follow my Telegram channel. I share all my trading decisions in there. And yeah, join the Genius Trading Masterclass if you want to learn all our trading strategies. And if you drop me a private message on Telegram, you're going to get the Extreme Zone trading strategy for free. Okay, I'm going to give you one of the 5 strategies that we're using to make money in the markets for free if you drop me a message. Alright, yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you have a lovely day, and yeah, see you in the next video. Take care. Peace.